Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change the language of YouTube. So, once you're on the home page, in the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on your channel icon. It'll open up the drop down menu. Simply go to where it says language, and it's going to open up another drop down menu of different languages that you can change your YouTube to, that it'll say for your browser. It has all of the most basic languages out there: English, Spanish, Portuguese, uh, French, wide variety of different languages. You just have to scroll through and check to see what works for you, or maybe just you want to try something new. But I'm going to change it just for test purposes to Afrikaans. And you can see once you change it, it immediately changes the language, and you can see on the left hand side that it's an entirely different language. To reverse the process or change to a different language, simply repeat the steps. So go to where it says Afrikaans, and you can change it back to your designated native tongue or whatever language you would like to choose. But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.